Do y'all want to know what $285,000 can get you in Midlothian? I'm about to show you my newest listing, and it is so cute, so vintage, and totally move-in ready. My name is Debbie Bird with League Real Estate. Let's go take a look. Okay, welcome to 209 Hillcrest Drive in Midlothian, Texas. Look how beautiful this lot is. Gorgeous trees, rear entry garages, so the street's so pretty and so quiet. Love the little front porch. All right, we've got a little entry here. You can see right into this huge living room, sunken living room with a fireplace. I actually kind of like the wood panel walls, but I ran it through AI and this is what it came up with. How beautiful is that? Okay, traveling on. Got kitchen, really nice sized dining room, great laundry room. Kitchen was updated a year or two ago. A nice covered back patio. This yard did have a pool in it at one time, so it is underground, but it has been filled in. That shed out there is actually really cute. It's a little craft house. All right, so double oven, electric stove top. There is gas to the house though. The fireplace is gas. Very vintage bathroom. Hello. I kind of like this vintage tile. All right, back here we have 3 bedrooms, so decent sized bedrooms. We've got the primary bedroom here. It's honestly about the same size as the other ones, but has 2 nice sized closets, plus an ensuite bathroom. Again, a very vintage bathroom. I call these hotel bathrooms when they kind of go into the bedroom like that. Makes me think of being in a hotel. All right, let's step back out so you can see kind of the flow of the rooms out to the front door. Okay guys, this house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it's a little bit over 1,500 square feet. We've got it listed at $285,000. There are homes in this neighborhood going for $350 that have been completely gutted and remodeled. This one has new plumbing, new electric. Really, all the bones are here. You just got to bring in your paint colors and your furniture. If you are interested in this house, I would love to give you more information. Come do a personal tour. My name is Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.